Hello, it's Mr. G, your business teacher. Welcome back to our production process series. We've covered mass, batch, and job production, and today we're focusing on flow production, a highly efficient method used to manufacture large quantities of standardized goods with minimal interruptions. Let's get started. Flow production, also known as continuous production, involves an assembly line where goods move through different stages of production without stopping. This method is used when businesses need to produce high volumes of identical products consistently and quickly. Unlike batch production, where production stops between batches, flow production keeps running, reducing downtime and maximizing efficiency. Businesses use flow production for products with high demand and little variation, such as cars, soft drinks, and electronic devices. In the UK, examples include Nissan's car manufacturing plant in Sunderland, which produces thousands of vehicles each year, and Coca-Cola, which uses flow production to bottle millions of drinks daily. The biggest advantage of flow production is efficiency. Since production runs continuously, businesses can produce more units in less time, reducing the cost per unit. It also allows for lower labor costs, as much of the work is automated, meaning fewer employees are needed. Another key benefit is consistent quality, since machines follow strict processes, ensuring that every product is identical. Consumers expect uniformity, especially in industries like food and electronics, where even slight variations can affect customer satisfaction. Despite these advantages, flow production does have drawbacks. One of the biggest issues is high initial costs. Setting up an automated production line requires a significant investment in machinery and technology, which can be expensive for smaller businesses. Another disadvantage is lack of flexibility. Once the production line is set up, making changes to the product design is difficult and costly. Businesses using flow production also face equipment breakdown risks. Since production is continuous, any machine failure can disrupt the entire process, leading to downtime and financial losses. Companies using flow production must carefully plan maintenance schedules to prevent breakdowns and ensure machines remain efficient. Despite its drawbacks, flow production remains one of the most widely used manufacturing methods, particularly for businesses aiming for cost savings and high output. In your AQA GCSE business exam, you might be asked to compare flow production with other methods or explain how businesses benefit from this system. A typical question could be, explain one reason why a business would use flow production rather than batch production. Thank you for listening to Mr. G. Please like this lesson, subscribe to our channel, and comment with your questions. I'll be happy to respond. See you in the next lesson on productivity and the factors that affect it.